Okay, so that's just question 1A. Question 1B, identify 2 of other secondary. Remember, it's not asking for primary, it's asking you for secondary market research sources which you could use, okay? So the answers would have been any of the following, okay? Only and exclusively secondary research, okay? So if you want, you can take a picture of this and have a look at what you wrote. I'm going to have to move on because I'm taking absolute ages, okay? Now, question 18A, explain the need for customer segmentation. Okay, I'm not going to go into so much detail with this either because this is quite simple stuff. So 18A, the need for customer segmentation. You could have basically here we got indicative content. Okay, so it doesn't necessarily need to be all of these or only these, but if you wrote any of them, that's good. And remember, this is an explain question, so I'm just going to highlight that a second. Explain question. Okay, so what we need to understand is that you need to state and then explain. So you need to state a reason why customer segmentation is needed, and then you got to expand a little bit on that. Okay, so if you've done that, customers, for example, have different wants and needs. Full stop. Some customers will have higher incomes than others. Okay, you could have said any of these. So you could have even said that, for instance, maybe the customers have different benefits that are required, and this could be because they have different ages. Okay, so you need to 100% expand on your response. Okay, so if you've done that, then you can award yourself 2 marks. Okay, then we got question 18B, which is asking us to identify 3 benefits of using market segmentation for your business, and you should know this off by heart by now. So any of these, okay, again, take a picture of it or something, any of those would be a correct answer. Okay, so mark yourself if you got all, well, 3 of the ones are here. If not, then you're gonna have to give yourself less than 3 marks. Okay, now question 19. State and explain 2 variables from the design mix model that will contribute to the successful design of your furniture that you sell. Okay, now you know that it's only 3 variables. Okay, so we've only got appearance, cost, and which one's the third one? Appearance, cost, and I can't really remember, and function. Okay, so yeah, sometimes I forget these things as well. Okay, so variable 1, let's say that I'm going to say appearance. Sorry. Okay, and you need to then explain this. Okay, so how does this, the best way to explain it, in my opinion, this kind of question, oh my god, sorry, I literally spelled this wrong. So the best way of explaining appearance could be that you kind of think about the context given, so you think about the case study. So what you could see is that you could say that the appearance, for example, if you make it into an actual sentence, you can say the fabric. This is actually something I've taken from the mark scheme. Okay, so for example, you can say the fabric color of a chair or the type of wood used for a table would be important. Okay, you've got to make this into a sentence. Or you could have talked about different colors of material. Or another thing you could have said could have been variable 2, function. Okay, and for example, I would say for function, the explanation would be, sorry, I'm just going to go up a little bit. Oh gosh. Function, explanation, I would have said that making sure that the items sold are, sorry, I'm going to go down, are fit for purpose. Okay, that would have given you, if you had written something like that, then that would have given you pretty much, that would have given you 4 marks. Okay, so decide yourself, try to be honest. Of course, if you think you should award yourself less marks, then please do so. Okay, now question 20. To help meet your revenue and profit targets for the first year of business, you decide to advertise. Identify 2 advertising methods which you could use to attract your customers to your business. I'm not going to really go through this. I'm just going to show you the mark scheme. Any of these. Okay, so please award yourself 2 marks if you've written any of these. Okay, again, take a picture, stop the video, and mark your own work. Okay. Question 21. Analyze 1 advantage and 1 disadvantage of buy 1 get 1 free to attract customers. Okay. Now I'm just going to do this one myself because I think this is quite a nice one for me to do. Oh, by the way, 20 seconds left, so I'm going to just stop the video and do this bit here in the next video. Sorry, this is lasting only 5 minutes per video. It's a bit annoying, but yeah.